Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on oil, looking at the hourly time frame first, we have a tightening range forming. The bulls are defending this 53.59 level, 53.60. You can see it acted as resistance, then support, and support. So it's a tightening range. We have a clear lower high on the hourly, and we're either going to see a bull break and a move towards 54.18, the lower high resistance, or if we see a bear break and we lose this support, we're looking down at 53.11 as the next level. So on the reaction to the inventory report, we did see a bit of an initial bullish move and then a pullback. So not a huge move in terms of changing anything significantly on the daily time frame. We did have a bearish reversal candlestick yesterday, and we are not confirming it. So the bulls are remaining in control. We have not seen 2 red days in a row on oil in weeks. The last time was back on December 6th and 7th. So 3 weeks in a row without 2 red days in a row, and the bulls still holding on just fine. As long as we form a higher low compared to 53.01, we're in a very strong uptrend on the daily time frame. And as of right now, that hourly time frame does look a little bit like a potential bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern. Not very clear at this point, but what I would just be watching is this horizontal support line and that downtrend resistance line. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame just to get a different feel of things. And that's about what we're looking at here. Previous resistance now acting as support back here. And we can draw an uptrend line from all the way down at our low. We are right at that uptrend support. So let's see what that looks like on the hourly now. There it is. So we've got another uptrend support line to be watching. Very tight range is forming. So we should see a break before tomorrow morning. And that will give some indication of direction for tomorrow to end this week. USO consolidating below the upper Bollinger Band resistance. Normal healthy consolidation at this point. We would have to pull back and break 1140 for any concern of the bulls with this higher low pattern that has been intact now for quite some time on USO. Weekly time frame. See how this weekly candlestick is forming. USO still strong, not a bearish reversal candlestick by any means. And last, let's check that weekly on oil. Same thing, bulls still in control, no red flags. So we'll see how tomorrow goes to wrap up this week, and unless we see a significant drop down to $53, not much is going to change, and the bulls are going to remain in control as we head into next week. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.